Hello everyone, I am Sujit Kumar Bharti, final year student, Department of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. I am going to present seminar presentation on the topic of aerogel features, construction of material, of content, introduction, what is aerogel, types of aerogel, synthesis of aerogel, properties of aerogel, advantage, disadvantage, home building and insulation challenge, case study, conclusion. Slide Introduction. Nano-structured open pore solids made via Solid technology created by Samuel Stephens Crystal solid with lowest known density stands up to 2000 times greater loads than its own weight. Figure number 1, silica aerogel. What is aerogel? Aerosols have been in existence for more than 18 years. Invented in 1931 by Dr. Samuel Kistler at the College of the Pacific in California, aerogel is a lightweight silica solid derived from gel in which the liquid component of the gel has been replaced with gas. When the liquid is removed, what remains is puffed up sand with up to 99% porosity. The result is an extremely low density solid with several remarkable properties, most notably its effectiveness as a thermal insulator. These characteristics make aerogel the world's lowest density solid and most effective thermal insulator. Types of aerogel. Silica. Silica aerogel is the most common types of aerogel. The most extensively studied and used it. It is silica based and can be derived from silica gel. Silica aerogel had entries in Guinness World Record for material properties including best insulator and lower density solid. Carbon. Carbon aerogel are composed of particles with size in the nanometer range covalently bonded together. They have very high porosity over 50% with diameter under 100 nanometer. Surface area ranging between 400 to 100 meters square per gram. Next slide. Metal oxide. Metal oxide aerogels are used as catalyst in various chemicals reaction transformation for other materials. Aerogels made with aluminum oxide are known as alumina aerogels. Alumina aerogels are also being considered by NASA for hypervelocity particles. Next slide. Synthesis of aerogel. Sol gel processing, mixing of chemicals, gels and drying final product. These are the sol gel process, sol precursor, solvents, acid-base catalysis. Sol process, sol gel reaction, hydrolysis and condensation. Gel, post-treatments, aging, solvent exchange washings, wet gel, SED, FD, APD, aerogel, cryogel, zero gel, dryings, dried gels. Next slide. Properties of aerogels. Low density, high porosity, low thermal conductivity, low refractive index, high surface area, lightest flexibility. Figure 3. Aerogels. Next slide. Advantage. Waterproof, high resistance. Aerogel is more expensive but definitely the best overall type of insulations. Disadvantage. Health issue. High production costs require more chemical and usually more times. Next slide. Home building and insulation challenge. Energy savings, regulation of indoor climates, lightweight materials, high fire protection, natural construction material, no colonizations by fungi, low cost material. Figure 4. Aerogel concrete. Case study 1. Aerogel used in NASA. NASA has explored its use for insulation in spacecraft, but widespread adoption in terrestrial construction face challenge due to cost and structural consideration. Aerogels, lightweight and insulating properties make it valuable for managing temperature variation in space environments. Case study 2. Aerogels used in Germany. In Germany, the aerogels is used for manufacturing blankets and jackets and also involved in production of material which provide thermal insulation. It also have its application in automobile industries to provide insulation toward heat. Next slide. Conclusion. Global market 2006 $62 million and 2011 $951 million. Very low thermal conductivity, melting temperature 1200 degrees Celsius, wind dampness, vibration and sounds. So aerogels is a material of futures. Next slide. Thank you.